Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine enjoying the previous videos. So guys, today's video is very important for software developers. So if you are a newbie in software development, or you make your mind that you want to become a developer, then this video is very useful to you. I will discuss top 3 websites which is very useful for software developers. So let's move towards our first website. The first website is Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow, where developers learn, share and build. So let's see. Stack Overflow is just like a community, and you will get to know everything about coding. If you have any problem about related to coding or your like software development, just paste your question, and the your seniors or advanced software developers will surely answer you. For example, let's see, ask a question, but you first have to log in through Google and then ask question. So I just randomly type a language name which is called JavaScript, and you can see there are question in million, and media rocking work once, and this is the JavaScript error and people will answer it. And you can also, if you have any problem in your development, then paste your problem, ask the question here, and your seniors will surely answer you. So let's move towards our second website, which is GitHub. I also mentioned this website in my previous videos. So this website is used for saving your code and building a portfolio online. You can connect your local computer with this website and save your uh, work directly from local computer to this repository. This is basically an online repository where you can save your code. So the last website is called HackerRank. This is a coding, you can increase your coding skills by using this website. You can take part in challenges, and you can also uh, there are competition in on these websites, and you can also participate in these competitions, and you can also prepare your interview questions, and this website is very useful. You can also use their resource libraries and developer skill, state of AI in hiring report, how to build a tech talent brand, and there are many more guides, so you can utilize them. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.